Hi everyone, this is the 103rd video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a simple problem from the concept of natural numbers. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, the product of two consecutive natural numbers which are multiples of 3 is 270. Their sum is equal to which of the following 5 options? So we have been told that the product of two consecutive natural numbers is 270, but the consecutive natural numbers are like they are multiples of 3, right? So then if we assume the first number to be x, then the second one will be x plus 3, and we have been told that their product is equal to 270. So if you can somehow factor 270 into its prime factors, then we can probably come up with a combination like this, right? So let's try that. So if we factor 270, this is going to be 2 times, there will be a 5 of course, but there will be 3 of the 3s, so that would be 3 times 3 times 3 and then a 5. So this will be the prime factorization of 270. Now from here, we have to make two such combination of factors whose difference would be just 3, because they will be 3 apart since they are multiples of 3. So now what I am thinking, well, if we take combinations like this, say suppose 2 times 3 times 3, that is 18, and then 3 times 5, that is 15. So guess what? They both are multiples of 3, and obviously they are 3 apart. So then this serves our purpose, right? So the two numbers, we can clearly see that the two numbers could be 15 and 18. And if you are thinking about factoring the entire equation there, sure, we can do that also. If you solve it that way also, let's quickly do that. And if you solve it that way, this is going to look like this. We can write it as x squared plus 3 times x is equal to 270, and from here we can say that x squared plus 3 times x minus 270 is equal to 0, and then from here if you do the factoring, we are going to get the same values of x. So here we can say, well, we can say x squared plus 18 times x minus 15 times x and minus 270 is equal to 0. So from here we are going to get x times x plus 18 minus 15 times x plus 18, and then from here can we say it like this? So this is actually x plus 18 times x minus 15, that is equal to 0, and from here we can clearly see that x is equal to negative 18 or positive 15. But since x is a natural number, we have to discard the negative value here, so we have to go with the positive value. So we have to take the 15 and we have to discard the 18. So now if x is 15, so let me quickly write up here. If x is equal to 15, then obviously x plus 3 will be equal to 18. So here are our two numbers. Now in the question we have been asked to find out what is the sum of the two numbers, right? So what is the sum of the two numbers? Well, their sum would be 15 plus 18, that is obviously equal to 33. And that should be our answer. And if you look at our answer options, we have 33 under option C. So option C is the correct option. In the real ACT exam, you really don't want to get into factoring and all of that. As soon as you can do the prime factoring of 270, and from there as soon as you are able to come up with these two numbers, the 15 and the 18, then you should be done. You know that you have found the numbers, they both are multiples of 3 and they are consecutive multiples of 3. So their sum would be 18 plus 15, that is 33, and you should be done. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.